Disneyland California is more than just a theme park. It's a magical world where childhood dreams come to life. From thrilling rides to enchanting fairy tale castles, it offers an unforgettable experience for visitors of all ages. Whether you're a first-time guest or a returning Disney fan, planning your trip well ensures you make the most of every magical moment. Without a proper itinerary, long wait times, missed attractions, and exhaustion can take away from the fun. A well-structured plan helps you experience more rides, enjoy the best shows, and discover hidden gems without feeling overwhelmed. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to create the perfect Disneyland itinerary. From choosing the best time to visit and booking tickets to ride strategies, dining options, and must-see attractions, we've got you covered. Plus, we have something special for you. We're giving away a €100 HotelGift.com voucher to one lucky subscriber. The winner will be announced in a video at the end of April, so make sure you're subscribed for a chance to win. Get ready to explore Disneyland like a pro and make magical memories that last a lifetime. Step 1. Choosing the best time to visit. Picking the right time to visit Disneyland California can make a huge difference in your experience. Peak seasons, such as summer, spring break, and the holiday season, Thanksgiving to New Year, bring large crowds and long wait times. If you prefer fewer crowds, visiting during off-peak months like January, February, or September is ideal. Weather is another factor to consider. Southern California has mild weather year-round, but summer can be hot, while winter evenings can get chilly. Spring and fall offer the most comfortable temperatures. Disneyland also hosts special events, such as Oogie Boogie Bash for Halloween and festive parades during Christmas. These events add extra magic, but also increase crowd levels. If possible, plan your visit on a weekday, Tuesday through Thursday, to avoid the weekend rush. Arriving early and avoiding major holidays can help you enjoy more rides, shows, and attractions without long wait times. Step 2. Buying tickets and making reservations. Choosing the right Disneyland ticket is key to making the most of your visit. You can buy a one-day ticket for a short trip or a multi-day ticket for a more relaxed experience. The Park Hopper option lets you visit both Disneyland Park and Disney California Adventure in one day. For shorter wait times, consider adding Genie Plus, which gives access to Lightning Lane for popular rides. To save money, look for discounted tickets from authorized sellers like AAA, Costco, or official travel sites. Disneyland often offers deals for California residents and military members. A park reservation is required for entry, even with a ticket. Book your reservation early, especially during peak seasons. Staying at a Disneyland Resort hotel offers perks like early entry, allowing access to select rides before the park opens. This can be a huge advantage in beating the crowds and maximizing your time. Step 3. Where to stay. Choosing the best accommodation. Deciding where to stay is an important part of your Disneyland itinerary. You can choose between on-site Disney hotels or off-site hotels nearby. Staying on-site at Disneyland Resort hotels like Disneyland Hotel, Disney's Grand Californian, or Pixar Place Hotel offers perks such as early park entry and easy access to Disneyland. However, these hotels are more expensive. If you're on a budget, there are many affordable hotels within walking distance or a short shuttle ride away. Some budget-friendly options include Best Western Plus Anaheim, Fairfield Inn, and Howard Johnson Anaheim. These hotels often provide free breakfast and shuttle services. Proximity to Disneyland can affect your itinerary. Staying close allows you to take midday breaks, which is helpful for families with kids. However, if you're comfortable commuting, staying farther away can save money while still offering a fun and convenient Disneyland experience. Step 4. Planning your park days. Disneyland Resort has 2 parks, Disneyland Park, classic attractions like Space Mountain and Pirates of the Caribbean, and Disney California Adventure, thrill rides like Radiator Springs Racers and Avengers Campus. Each park offers unique experiences, so deciding how many days you need is key. For a full experience, a 2 to 3 day visit is ideal, 1 day per park, and an extra day to revisit favorites. If you only have 1 day, a Park Hopper ticket lets you switch between parks. To maximize your time, use Genie Plus and Lightning Lane to skip long lines for popular rides. Arriving early for rope drop, park opening is a game changer, letting you ride major attractions before the crowds build. Prioritize must-see attractions by making a plan, but stay flexible. Whether it's meeting Mickey, riding Guardians of the Galaxy, or watching the fireworks, a well-planned itinerary ensures a magical visit. Step 5. Dining and snacks. Disneyland is just as famous for its food as it is for its rides. From quick bites to sit-down meals, there are plenty of delicious options to enjoy. For quick service dining, some top choices include Plaza Inn, famous for its fried chicken, Ronto Roasters in Star Wars, Galaxy's Edge, and Flo's V8 Cafe in Disney California Adventure. If you prefer table service dining, reservations are recommended for Blue Bayou, Carthay Circle, or Lamplight Lounge, all offering incredible food and themed dining experiences. No Disneyland visit is complete without trying iconic snacks like Dole Whip, Mickey Shake Bayonets, churros, and turkey legs. Each park has its own specialties, so exploring different food stands is part of the fun. To save time, use mobile ordering through the Disneyland app. This allows you to skip long lines and pick up your food quickly. With so many tasty options, your Disneyland itinerary should always include time for some delicious treats. Step 6. Must-ride attractions in Disney California Adventure. Disney California Adventure, DCA, offers a mix of thrill rides, family-friendly attractions, and immersive lands that make it a must-visit. For thrill seekers, top rides include Radiator Springs Racers, a high-speed adventure through Cars Land, Incredicoaster, a looping roller coaster with a Pixar twist, and Guardians of the Galaxy, Mission Breakout, a drop ride filled with Marvel fun. Families will love Toy Story Midway Mania, an interactive 3D shooting game, The Little Mermaid, Ariel's Undersea Adventure, a relaxing dark ride, and Soarin' Around the World, a breathtaking flight over famous landmarks. Avengers Canvas is a Marvel fan's dream featuring web slingers, a Spider-Man adventure and character meet and greets with superheroes like Iron Man and Black Panther. To avoid long wait times, use Genie Plus and Lightning Lane for the most popular rides, or head straight to them at Rope Drop for shorter lines. Step 7. Dining and snacks. Where to eat. Disneyland offers a variety of dining options, from quick bites to full meals. For a fast meal, top quick service spots include Plaza Inn, famous for fried chicken, Docking Bay 7, Star Wars themed dishes, and Jolly Holiday Bakery Cafe, great sandwiches and pastries. For a sit-down experience, Blue Bayou, inside Pirates of the Caribbean, and Carnation Cafe, classic American food, are popular table service restaurants. Iconic snacks like Dole Whip, churros, Mickey pretzels, and turkey legs are must-tries. Use mobile ordering via the Disneyland app to skip long lines and book dining reservations early for table service restaurants. Step 8. Entertainment and shows you can't miss. Disneyland offers spectacular entertainment for all ages. Top parades like Magic Happens and Pixar Play Parade bring Disney stories to life with dazzling floats and music. At night, don't miss Fantasmic, World of Color, and the fireworks over Sleeping Beauty Castle, all breathtaking experiences. For character meet and greets, head to Main Street, Fantasyland, and Avengers Campus. Want a hidden gem? Catch small performances like the Dapper Dan's Barbershop Quartet or the Disneyland Band. Arrive early for the best viewing spots, and check the Disneyland app for updated showtimes. Step 9. Tips for navigating the park like a pro. Maximize your Disneyland experience with smart strategies. Start by downloading the Disneyland app. It provides real-time wait times, mobile food ordering, and easy access to reservations. Arrive early for Rope Drop, as morning hours have the shortest lines. To avoid crowds, visit popular rides during parades or fireworks when many guests are distracted. If traveling with young kids, use Rider Swap, allowing one adult to ride while the other waits with the child, then swapping without requeuing. For thrill rides, consider single rider lines, which significantly reduce wait times. Planning ahead and using these hacks will ensure a smoother, stress-free trip. Step 10. Packing essentials for Disneyland. A well-packed bag ensures a stress-free Disneyland adventure. Wear comfortable walking shoes and dress in breathable layers to adjust to temperature changes. Pack a portable charger to keep your phone powered for photos and a Disneyland app. Sunscreen, sunglasses, and a refillable water bottle are must-haves. For families, bring snacks, wipes, extra clothes, and small toys to keep kids entertained in lines. If visiting with young children, a lightweight stroller is a lifesaver. A well-packed bag keeps you comfortable and ready for a magical day. Planning the perfect Disneyland itinerary ensures a smooth and fun-filled trip. From choosing the right time to visit, booking tickets, and prioritizing attractions to smart dining and navigation tips, preparation makes all the difference. Stay flexible. Unexpected surprises make for the best memories. Use Genie Plus, take breaks, and soak in the magic. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th, Disneyland always offers something new. Enjoy every moment and create unforgettable experiences.